Uh, Praise the Lord. Good evening, everybody. Uh, my first son, Sam Joshua, he memorized Psalm 119 in ESV. So now he is going to his memorized verses. So if you have time to watch this, you can watch, listen. So I want to encourage him through this live media. So now he will say.
Blessed are those who say blameless, who walk in the law of the Lord. Blessed are those who keep his testimonies, who seek in their whole heart, all said and all, and walk in his way, commanded their precepts to keep diligently. With their most fast and keeping your studies, then they shall not be put to shame. I manifest on all your commandments. Blessed and upright at one will and their accessible. I will keep your studies, do not utterly forsake me. How can a man keep safer? By guarding and according to your word. My whole heart I will seek you, let not wander from my commandments. I stirred up a word in man that not sin against you. Blessed are Lord, teach me your statutes. With my lips I declare all the rules of my mouth. Therefore testimonies I delight as much as all in riches. I will meditate on your precepts and fix my eyes and ways. I will delight in your statutes. Do not forget your word. Deal wanted to your servant that I may live and keep your word. Open my eyes that I may behold wondrous things. Out of your law. And so now on the earth I not take commandments from me. My soul is consumed longing for your rules at all times. Your book then shall and accursed ones who wander from your commandments. Take off from his scorn and content, for I kept your testimonies. Haven't the princess it plotting as soon as I don't meditate on his statutes. My soul clings to the dust to give life. Testimonies are my delight, that my counselors. My soul clings to the dust to give life according to God. When I turn of my sons and meet his my statutes. Make me understanding their precepts and I'll meditate on your wondrous works. Midst of sorrow, strengthen me according to your word. The faults are far from me and graciously it is my law. Discern the way from faithfulness, such a rules before me. I cling to your testimonies, let not be put to shame. I run in the way for commandments and enlarge my heart. Teach me, Lord, in the statutes and I'll keep it to the end. Give me understanding that I may keep a law and job with my whole heart. Lead me in the path of commandments for a delight in it. Until my testimonies are not to selfish gain. Turn my looking at worthless things and give life in a ways. Comfort your servant your promise that he may be feared. Turn away the reproaches that you did, for your rules are good. Well, I long for your precepts in your righteousness and gives me life. Well, I long for let your steadfast love come to me, Lord, your salvation according to your promise. This answer for you, turn me for your trust in your word, and take not the word of truth utterly out of my mouth, for my hope is in your rules. I will keep your law continually forever and ever. And I shall walk in a white place, for I have sought your precepts. I will also speak of your testimonies for kings, and shall not be put to shame. For I find my delight in your commandments which I love. I lift up my eyes toward your commandments which I love, and I will meditate on your statutes. Remember what your servant which you have made me hope. This is my comfort in my affliction, that is your promise gives me life. Then shall not utterly detain me, but it did not turn away from your law. When I think of your rules from afar, I take comfort a lot. All the indignation seizes me because of the good forsake your law. Your statutes have been my songs and hours of my sojourning. I remember your name, the night, the Lord, and keep your law. These blessings have fallen to me that I may keep your precepts. The Lord is my portion, I promise to keep your words. And to your favor with all of my heart, be gracious to me according to your promise. When in the commonwealth, I turn my feet to testimonies. I stand and do not delay to keep your commandments. To the cause of ignorance, near me I do. And do not forget your precepts. Law. At midnight I rise to praise you because of your access rules. Complain of all who fear you, of those who keep his precepts. The Lord is full of your steadfast love, and teach me your statutes. You have dealt well with your servant, the Lord, according to God. Teach me good judgment and knowledge, for I believe in your commandments. Before I was unfitted, I went astray, but I will keep your word. Have good and do good, teach me statutes. The insolent smear me with lies, but it mala to keep your precepts. Their heart is unfeeling like fat, but I delight in your law. It is good for me that I was afflicted, that I may learn your statutes. The law of amounts is better to me than the thousands of gold and silver pieces. Chance and modest fastened me. Give me understanding that I may learn your commandments. Those who all fear you shall see me and rejoice in because I hoped in your word. I know, Lord, that your rules are righteousness and in His faithfulness you have afflicted me. Your steadfast love comfort me. Give me according to your promise to your servant. Let your mercy come to me that I may live, but I lost my delight. Let the insolent be put to shame because you are angry with me. Falsehood hurt me. Let those who fear you turn to me, that they may know your testimonies. Let the insolent be put to shame because you are angry with me. Falsehood as for me, I will meditate on your precepts. Let those who all fear you turn to me, that they may know your testimonies. May we not be blameless in your statutes, let not be put to shame. My soul longs for salvation, I hope in your word. My eyes longs for promise, I ask only comfort me. For I become like in one skin in smoke, and I have not forgotten your statutes. How long must I surrender till endure? When will you judge those who persecute me? The insolent have deep pitfalls for me, because they do not live according to your law. All your commandments are sure, they persecute me with falsehood. Help me. They almost murder none of me, but I have not forsaken your precepts. If your steadfast love, let your steadfast love give me life, that I make the testimonies of your mouth. Forever, Lord, your word is firmly fixed in the heavens. Your faithfulness endures to all generations. You establish the earth and it stands fast. Upon with the strength this day for all things I will serve. If I had not been my delight, I would have perished in my affliction. I will never forget your precepts, for by them you have given me life. I may save me, for I have sought your precepts. I could have laid in wait to destroy me, but I consider in your testimonies. Sin a limit all perfection, but your commandments is exceedingly broad. I will it is my meditation all the day. Your commandments makes me wiser than when it is, for it is ever with me. I am more understanding than all my teachers, for your testimonies are my meditation. I understand more than the edge, for you teach me a stat, for I keep your precepts. I hold back my feet from hell in order to keep your word. I did not turn aside from your rules, for you have taught me.
How sweet.
I see your word, it is to my taste sweeter than honey to my mouth. The gods, the precepts I get, understanding, therefore I love your command. I hate every false ways. Your word is my lamp to my feet, your light to my path. I sought the north and confided it because of your access. To keep your access rules. I have sought the north and confided it because to keep your access rules. And still afflicted, give me life, Lord, according to your word. Accept my free will offerings, surprise, Lord, and teach me your rules. I hold my life in man continually, but I do not forget your law.
Say loudly.
Naked have laid a snare for me, but I did not stray from my precepts. Your testimonies are my delight, they are my testimonies are my heritage forever, for they are the joy of my heart. I incline not your testimonies forever to the end. I incline not to perform your statutes forever to the end. I hate double-minded, but I love your love. You are my hiding place and my shield. I hope in your word. Depart from the revealed year of Christ, that I may keep the commandments of my God. Uphold me according to your promise, that I may live. Let me not be put to shame in my hope. Hold me up that I may safe, and your regards to your statutes continually. I spurn all who go astray from the statutes, for their cunning is in vain. And the cut of the earth you discard like dross. Therefore I love your testimonies. My flesh stumbles for fear of you, and I am afraid of your judgment. I have done what is just and right. Do not leave me to my oppressors. Give a servant a pledge of oath. Do not leave them silent to oppress me. My sir, songs are salvation. For the fulfillment of your righteous promise, deal with the servant according to your steadfast love, and teach me your statutes. The servant, give me understanding that I may know your testimony. It is time for Lord to act. It is time for Lord to act, for a law has been broken. Therefore I love your commandments above gold, above fine gold. I consider precepts to be right. Therefore I hate every false ways. Your testimonies are wonderful. Therefore my soul keeps them. The unfolding of your words, it gives light, it marks understanding to the simple. I open my mouth and pant, because I long for your commandments. Turn to me and be gracious to me. I teach away those who love your name. Keep steady my steps according to your promise, and let no iniquity get dominion over me. Redeem me from man's oppression, that I may keep your precepts. Make your face shine upon your servant, and teach me your statutes. My stirred streams of tears, because people do not keep your law. Your actions are your Lord, and right are your rules. Upon your testimonies in righteousness, and in all faithfulness. My zeal consumes me, because my fathers forget your word. Your promise is well tested, and the servant loves it. I am small and despised, yet I have not forgotten. Yet I do not forgotten your precepts. Your righteousness is righteous forever, and your law is true. Trouble and anguish have found me out, but your commandments are my delight. With my heart I cry, and I answer all. Your testimonies are righteous forever. Give me understanding that I may live. With my heart I cry, and I answer, O Lord, and teach me your statutes. I will teach me your statutes. I will keep your statutes. With my heart I will cry, and I answer, O Lord. With my heart I will cry, and I answer, O Lord, I will keep your statutes. I call you to save me, that I may observe your testimonies. Arise, put down, and cry for help. I hope in your word. My eyes are awake before the watches of the night, that I may meditate on your promise. Hear my eyes according to steadfast love, and teach me your statutes. Hear my eyes according to steadfast love, Lord. According to your justice, gives me life. They draw near who persecute me with evil purpose. They are far from your Lord. They draw near who persecute me with evil purpose. They are far from your Lord. But you are near your Lord, and all your commandments are right. Long have I known from your testimonies that you have founded them forever. Look on my affliction and deliver me, for I do not forget your precepts. No. Look on my affliction and deliver me, for I do not forget your law. Plead my cause and redeem me. Give me life according to your promise. Your salvation is far from the wicked, for you seek your statutes. For they do not seek your statutes. Great is your mercy, O Lord, and give me life according to your rules. Many are my persecutors and my adversaries, but I do not suffer from your testimonies. I look at the faithless with disgust, because they do not keep your commands. I consider how I love your precepts, and give me life according to your steadfast love. The sum of your word is truth, and the reign of your righteousness is forever. Princes persecute me without cause, but my heart stands in awe of your word. I rejoice at your word like one who finds great spoil. Hate and abhor falsehood, but I love your law. 7 times a day praise you because of your righteous rules. Great peace have those who love your law. Nothing can make me stumble. I have for a salvation, O Lord, and I do your commandments. My soul keeps your testimonies. I love them exceedingly. I have keep your precepts and testimonies, for all my eyes are before you. Let me cry before your Lord, and give me life, and give me understanding, that I may keep according to your word. Let me cry before your Lord, give me understanding according to your word. Let my plea come before you, and deliver me according to your word. My lips shall pour forth praise, for it is my statutes. Make my understanding, my tongue will sing of your word, and all your commandments are right. Let your hearts be ready to tell, for I have chosen your precepts. I long for your salvation, O Lord, and I do your command, and your laws my delight. I long for your salvation, O Lord. I long for your salvation, and your laws my delight. Let my soul live and praise you, and let your rules help me. I have gone astray like a lost sheep. Please seek your servant, for I do not forget your commandments.
Very good. So that's it.